Every relationship has a core which is unique to the couple and which sets them apart from the rest.
Though we have a fair share of similarities and dissimilarities, the thing that always keeps the zing alive in us is a love for traveling.
And a love for food.
Though we have started touring on a motorcycle very recently, our history of traveling together goes way back to the year 2012. Traveling on a motorcycle sets our spirits free. It is a form of emancipation from the mundane routine of life. It gives wings to our desire. Riding on a highway, winds gushing past, makes me feel like a bird in the open blue sky. Furling my wings as I twist the throttle of my trusty motorcycle. Life never felt better.
Our love for food has made our bonding stronger in more ways than we can explain. Cooking makes me forget all my worries, takes away my day's fatigue, and makes me feel liberated. Kitchen is where I experiment with ingredients and techniques, trying out culinary wonders of the world in my kitchen with my twist. Ingredients and techniques never scared me, as my faith and love for cooking always win. Trekking takes us closer to the nature than any other form of traveling.
It keeps us grounded and humble while reminding us of our roots and how small of a speck we are in this entire universe. While walking through the forests, over the mountains, crossing the meadows and the streams, with the blue sky above us and the wind by our side,
we can truly sense and feel the deep love that Mother Nature has for us. In spite of our crimes against her, nature's bounty is endless and equal for both man and beast.